I want you to see the tree. This is my Free Palestine inspired Christmas tree. I try not to talk about politics, but I feel like this is not a political conversation. This is a conversation about love and life and people. And there are people that are Black and brown all over the world that are suffering. And this is just one set of people that are being persecuted and have been being persecuted for many years. But this is just kind of something that I feel like other countries need to be stepping in. And it's something small. It really wasn't even something that I was, unsure about even posting. But this is a representation to my family that this is for Palestine. A lot of people may not even really think about it, but Bethlehem, the city of Bethlehem, is in the Palestine Gaza region. And normally they would have like a tree lighting ceremony and stuff like that. And don't even come my comments about Jesus wasn't born